Question 1. What is the default storage class for objects uploaded to Amazon S3? The correct answer is B, S3 standard. Question 2. What is the maximum size of a single object that can be stored in Amazon S3? The correct answer is D, 5 terabytes. Question 3. Which S3 storage class is designed for data that is accessed less frequently but requires rapid access when needed? The correct answer is C, S3 standard IA. Question 4. What feature allows you to automatically transition objects between storage classes based on access patterns? The correct answer is B, S3 lifecycle policies. Question 5. Which S3 feature provides automatic encryption of data at rest? The correct answer is C, S3 server-side encryption. Question 6. What is the minimum storage duration charge for S3 standard IA? The correct answer is B, 30 days. Question 7. Which S3 feature allows you to host a static website? The correct answer is A, S3 static website hosting. Question 8. What is S3 versioning used for? The correct answer is C, keeping multiple variants of an object. Question 9. Which S3 storage class offers the lowest cost for long-term archival storage? The correct answer is B, S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Question 10. What is the purpose of S3 transfer acceleration? The correct answer is B, speed up uploads to S3. Question 11. Which S3 feature prevents objects from being deleted or overwritten for a fixed amount of time? The correct answer is B, S3 Object Lock. Question 12. What is the maximum number of S3 buckets you can create per AWS account by default? The correct answer is B, 100. Question 13. Which S3 replication feature copies objects across different AWS regions? The correct answer is B, cross-region replication. Question 14. What is the minimum object size for S3 intelligent tiering? The correct answer is B, 128 kilobytes. Question 15. Which S3 feature allows you to manage access to buckets from multiple AWS accounts? The correct answer is B, S3 access points. Question 16. What is the retrieval time for S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval? The correct answer is A, milliseconds. Question 17. Which encryption method uses AWS managed keys? The correct answer is B, SSE-S3. Question 18. What does S3 event notifications allow you to do? The correct answer is B, trigger workflows on object changes. Question 19. Which S3 storage class automatically moves data between access tiers? The correct answer is B, S3 intelligent tiering. Question 20. What is the durability of S3 standard storage class? The correct answer is C, 99.999999999%. Question 21. Which feature enables you to require MFA for object deletion? The correct answer is B, MFA delete. Question 22. What is the minimum storage duration for S3 Glacier Deep Archive? The correct answer is B, 180 days. Question 23. Which S3 feature provides a single global endpoint for multi-region access? The correct answer is B, multi-region access points. Question 24. What is the maximum size for a single put operation in S3? The correct answer is C, 5 GB. Question 25. Which S3 feature helps optimize costs by analyzing access patterns? The correct answer is A, S3 Analytics. Question 26. What protocol does S3 transfer acceleration use? The correct answer is C, CloudFront Edge Locations. Question 27. Which S3 storage class stores data in a single availability zone? The correct answer is C, S3 One Zone IA. Question 28. What is S3 batch operations used for? The correct answer is A, bulk object management. Question 29. Which S3 feature provides detailed inventory reports of objects? The correct answer is B, S3 Inventory. Question 30. What is the availability SLA for S3 standard? The correct answer is C, 99.9%. Question 31. Which encryption option allows you to provide your own encryption keys? The correct answer is C, SSE-C. Question 32. What is the purpose of S3 requester pays? The correct answer is B, transfer costs to requester. Question 33. Which S3 feature allows you to set expiration dates for objects? The correct answer is B, S3 Lifecycle rules. Question 34. What is the minimum retrieval time for S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval Expedited Retrieval? The correct answer is A, 1 to 5 minutes. Question 35. Which S3 feature provides access logs for security and compliance? The correct answer is B, S3 Server Access Logging. Question 36. What is S3 Select used for? The correct answer is B, query data within objects. Question 37. Which S3 storage class is best for data accessed once per quarter? The correct answer is C, S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval. Question 38. What is the purpose of S3 Block Public Access? The correct answer is B, prevent public access to buckets. Question 39. Which feature allows you to upload large objects in parts? The correct answer is B, multipart upload. Question 40. What is the minimum object size for multipart upload? The correct answer is D, no minimum. Question 41. Which S3 feature provides automatic failover for multi-region applications? The correct answer is B, multi-region access points. Question 42. What is S3 object Lambda used for? The correct answer is B, transform data during retrieval. Question 43. Which S3 storage class has the lowest availability SLA? The correct answer is C, S3 one zone IA. Question 44. What is the maximum number of tags you can assign to an S3 object? The correct answer is B, 10. Question 45. Which S3 feature helps meet compliance requirements for data retention? The correct answer is B, S3 object lock. Question 46. What is the retrieval time for S3 Glacier Deep Archive Standard Retrieval? The correct answer is C, 12 hours. Question 47. Which S3 feature allows cross-account access without changing bucket policies? The correct answer is B, S3 access points. Question 48. What is S3 storage lens used for? The correct answer is B, organization-wide storage analytics. Question 49. Which S3 feature provides point-in-time recovery for objects? The correct answer is A, S3 versioning. Question 50. What is the default retrieval time for S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval Standard Retrieval? The correct answer is B, 3 to 5 hours. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.